What's up, guys? This is James again, and welcome to Master James Tutoring. So, our question for today is we're given the triangle as shown on the screen, and we are tasked to find the value of cosine x degrees. So, take note that this is actually a right triangle, and how do we solve for the value of x? Take note that the cosine of x, so if you can still remember the SOHCAHTOA, so that actually stands for the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And take note that with respect to this angle x, we have this 11 actually as our adjacent. This side, which is, I think it doesn't matter. So let's label it as the opposite side. And we have this 28 as the hypotenuse since its opposite angle is the right angle. So therefore, to obtain the value of cosine x, we can just plug in as follows. So our adjacent is 11 and our hypotenuse is 28. So therefore, our cosine x degrees is just 11 over 28. For more exciting videos, so please subscribe to Master James Tutoring. So thank you, and once again, have a nice day.